Hi, this is Dr. Al-Malood from FacultyWorkshop.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background on a photo without using Photoshop. For this, we're going to need to use PowerPoint. I've got an image right here on my desktop that I'm going to drag and drop onto my slide. And as you can see, I have a background here behind this little girl where it is a blackboard and a desk. So what you're going to need to do is you need to click on the photo so it is selected, or the image, and then go to the top left of your ribbon and select Remove Background. Once you click on it, it's automatically going to highlight in a magenta color the area that's going to be removed from the image. Now, as you can see, the pants are also selected, but I do want the girl's pants to show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Mark Areas to Keep, which is this little green button right there. And we're just going to click and just select a piece of the pants that she's wearing. It'll automatically detect the area that's similar in terms of shape and color. We're going to do that over here as well. And now her pants are selected. Now I can also see that there's a book or phone right behind her that I do not want, and I want that removed. So I'm going to go to the top left again, click on Mark Area to Remove, and I'm just going to click on that. And now that it's selected into that magenta color, it means that's the area that's going to be removed. And I see that her hair is also chopped a little bit, so we're going to click on that. And her shirt, sleeve, do that again here for her hair. And right there as well. All right, so I think I'm happy with this. And once we're done with selecting the area that we want to keep or remove, we can click on Keep Changes. And now we've got the background removed from this image. If you still want to make some further changes, once again, go ahead and select on the image, click on Remove Background. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to remove this little piece right there. And right there. And there, right there. I'm going to click on Keep Changes, and there we go. I think I'm happy with this, and now we can go ahead and move the image any way we want to on our canvas, and we can also go ahead and resize it to any shape if we would like to do that as well. Once you're done with the image, let's say you want to go ahead and convert the slide into an actual JPEG image. How do you do that? Well, it's quite simple. All you need to do is go to File, Save As, select the location that you want to save the file at. I'm going to click on PC, and we're going to put this right on my desktop. So we're going to click on More Options. We're going to do Desktop. And we're going to change the file type to JPEG. So we're going to go down here and select JPEG. Click on Save. And just this one. So it's going to ask you which slide you want to export. We've only got one slide, so we can just go ahead and select this. If we minimize this now, as you can see, there is a JPEG right here on my desktop. If I double click on it, there's the image. And this is how you can remove the background on any image. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified as soon as we release another video. If there's something specific that you would like to learn, please post your request below this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching.